Here we have another truly stunning rose, like really a collection item. And the name is Benihanabi, which means red fireworks in Japanese. And you can see that the petals are like fireworks spreading to outside. And actually it is sister of sea anemone that is pink color. And they are saying that this is only being sold in Japan, and Himawari Nōkyōu rose maker is credited online, but I do not think it is made by them, because actually in Netherlands that very big rose maker company Interplant are producing these ruffle roses, and so they are kind of the originators of the ruffles, and they have them in all kind of stunning colors. This one is really small, but in my video database you can find fancy ruffle also by Interplant and sea anemone for comparison. So those flowers are bigger, and the petals are also like this, have this distinctive shape. And there is also yellow variety called fireworks ruffle. Actually, I have video of all those Interplant roses, a scene at Keisei Rose Garden in Japan, but not all of them were able to display this particular style of the rose. So some had lost the spikes. But yeah, this is a truly amazing. And see, there are petals mixed, like this small here, this ends like this, and then on top of it you have this longish spike, but all have that basic shape of the ruffle roses of Interplant. So let me have this one compared with sea anemone, because I have one here. So here they are, one next to each other, Benihanabi and sea anemone. So you can see what an amazing flower shape they have. So I consider these much more stunning and new and interesting. Although Interplant had started this, probably it's already 10 years since they are delivering this type of roses, so they are not so new in that sense. Oh yeah, this is really incredibly beautiful. And here is Benihanabi 3 days later. It didn't change that much, and it's so cute, the color difference, you know, the tip of the petals, and then there is some yellow feel, like these yellow spikes. What an interesting rose. Really so thankful to Interplant to have strived for who knows how long time to create this type of roses, these aliens, and so happy to have such in the collection.